if you're a recruiter or somebody that's just starting out in recruitment and you're looking for a platform to manage all the candidates and the clients that you're working with, we've launched a completely free recruitment CRM that allows you to keep on top of everything. And we've recently launched a dashboard which now allows you to get an overview of the number of jobs you've added to the CRM, the number of candidates, the number of companies, the number of contacts, people that work at that company, and then get an overview of the jobs that you've got in the system. And I'm going to show you quickly via a screen share what this looks like. So hopefully you can see on my screen the dashboard that you are greeted with when you first enter into the platform. So along the top, you have the totals for the number of live jobs, the number of candidates you've added, the number of companies you're working with, and the contacts at those companies as well. All of these have underneath them buttons so that you can create a new candidate, company, job, whatever that may be. And there's also the universal create button up the top, which allows you to add these as well, and this can be accessed by any screen. On the left-hand side, you have some prompts around saved searches, the candidates you have in process, the jobs that you have on your job board, and in the center here, you have a rundown of the live jobs that you've got open, whether those jobs are advertised on the website, the CVs that you have in process, and you can do any of the actions in terms of editing those jobs and submitting candidates. And we have a breakdown in this tab here of all the candidates you've sent to jobs and where they are in the process as well. So that's a very brief look at the dashboard that is now part of the free CRM that we offer. So if you do decide to sign up to the free version of the platform, you will get access to that dashboard. It is only version 1. We are thinking about ways that we can incorporate to-do lists, and we can incorporate goal setting around kind of candidate delivery and around finance as well, so that over time you can use it as a tool to track just like the progress of your business and how your business is growing as well. But if you are interested in reading more about the product, I will attach links in the comments where you can access it and even sign up today and get going for free.